Everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show to you how to highlight text in Filmora. So the first step is to add your video or image with your text. So I'm gonna use this one here as an example. Then you have to simply go to stock media, then go to solid color and choose any of these colors. I'm gonna go with this one here, this yellow, and add it on top of my image like this. Now, what you'll have to do is simply click on it, and then you'll have to go to basic, and then you'll have to simply resize it. So I'm gonna click here, and I'm gonna resize it like this. So you'll have to simply uncheck this lock here, and I'm gonna resize it like this and make it longer. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the position. So I'm gonna put it right over this title here. And then what you'll have to do is simply go to blend mode, select darken right like this, and basically that's how you do it. Now, if you want, you can add some animations, but you can check out our other video to add animation to this, but this is the basic stuff. So you can do more stuff like adding the animation, changing the position of it, so much more. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.